How to run Etsy ads. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for etsy.com and sign in to your shop manager account. Further, prepare your shop and listings. Use clear and high quality photos. Write detailed and keyword-rich descriptions and ensure pricing, tags, and categories are accurate. Now complete your shop setup, add policies, and fill out your About section and have a well-performing listings ready to advertise. Next, access the advertising section. Log into your Etsy account and go to Shop Manager and tap on Marketing on the left-hand menu. Select Etsy Ads from the drop-down. Now set your budget. Etsy Ads work on a daily basis. Enter how much you are willing to spend each day and your budget determines how many times your ads are shown. Adjust your budget later based on your performances. Next, choose listings to advertise. You can let Etsy automatically select listings to advertise or manually choose specific products. Focus on high-quality listings that are already popular or have high conversion potential. Now, start your ads. Review your budget and selected listings. Tap on Start Advertising to launch your campaign. Your ads will now appear in prominent spots on Etsy such as search results and category pages. You will further be required to monetize and optimize your performance, so visit the advertising dashboard in the Shop Manager to track metrics. You can use this data to increase or decrease your daily budget, pause ads on underperforming listings, and focus on high-converting items. You can turn off or pause ads anytime you want. To do that, go to Advertising Dashboard and toggle off the ads for specific listings or your entire campaign. So, this is how you can run ads on Etsy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.